Want watermark like this? For the watermark, add a text layer and write your name. Change the font. Then adjust the text layer according to your video and drag the layer to an empty space. Add a black screen behind the text layer and adjust it according to the text layer. Then set the text layer's opacity to 50 and adjust the scale and position as you want. Select both of the layers and create a compound clip. Put the compound clip above the main video. Set the blend mode to color dodge and adjust the scale and position as you want. That's it.